charts with emoji. Dollar bills and beats, we feel so free. Market rising fast just like the sea. In this trading world we got the key. Bulls and bears that dance with our luck. Moji's got that charm, never stuck. Crypto's flying high, it's so wild. Trading like a pro, feeling styled. Watch the screen light up, it's a show. Numbers spinning, fast cash flow. Moji and me, we stealing the spotlight. Day trading moves all day, all night. Candlesticks, they flicker like a flame. In this money game, we stake our claim. Moji's wisdom never goes untamed. Winning every trade, no one's the same. Market trades, we ride like the wind. Every profit made feels like we sinned. Up and down, we groove with delight. In Moji's world, everything's alright. Green and red, they paint our days. Fortunes made in so many ways. Feeling the rhythm in every trade. Moji and me, the perfect brigade. Watch the screen light up, it's a show. Numbers spinning fast, cash flow low. Moji and we still stout. Digging like a profit brigade. Whoa. Candlesticks, they flicker like a flame. In this money game, we stake our claim. Moji and we still stout. Winning every trade, no one's the same. Watch the screen light up, it's a show. Numbers spinning, fast cash flow. Moji and me, we stealing the spotlight. Day trading moves all day, all night. Candlesticks, they flicker like a flame. In this money game, we stake our claim. Moji's wisdom never goes untamed. Winning every trade, no one's the same. Market trades, we ride like the wind. Every profit made feels like we sinned. Up and down, we groove with delight. In Moji's world, everything's alright. Green and red, they paint our days. Fortunes made in so many ways. Feeling the rhythm in every trade. Moji and me, the perfect brigade. Whoa. Perfect brigade. Oh, perfect brigade. Oh, Korea.
And good morning, sound check here. Okay, we're sounding pretty good. All right, good morning, traders. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the Mindset Day Trader live stream. We are streaming on um, my channel, on TWA Indicator channel, and also on Twitch. My name is Moji. I'm a lead trader here with TWA Indicators. And what you're going to be finding today is we're going to be using the indicators with the mentorship knowledge in order to trade this day, which is a CPI news day. All right, so today we're going to be diving into the charts. We're going to go over a bit of the game plan, see what happened after the news, and then our goal today is to maximize our A plus setups and find them when they appear. So without further ado, let's go to the charts to review real quick before the opening bell. Okay, let's see here. All right, so you see here, this is my my game plan for today. Um, you see right here where it totally exploded from my short on stall level, and it's now hit on my short on stall level. So we're going to see what New York wants to do from here. Is it going to continue this move up? Will it retrace before it sets up? Let's see. Let's see how the indicators did during this news. All right, so first, here you can see we had a beautiful buy signal just before the news broke. And you can see how the indicators, even though we had, it said it was choppiness earlier, right after that buy signal, you can see how it totally started to shape up. This was where the news came, and the breakout from here. Let's look at it from the trigger chart. Same thing here. You can see very similar, very nice, very clean. Just zoom in a little bit for you. Okay, you can see how nice and clean that was. Look at it compared to the 4-hour forecaster. It was in a good area for a long, and it absolutely took off. And right now it's in the what we consider the super expensive box. And now we are just waiting. We're waiting to see what New York wants to bring. Okay, so today we're going to be focusing on A plus setups. I'm going to look for the A plus setups. If I get an A or B, I'll be happy. But that's definitely what I'm going to be looking for today. Let's see here. All right, so yeah, we are definitely live on YouTube. Let's get I like some background music when I get ready to trade. I'm going to start out with this one for now. Okay, so as of right now, it's about 9 minutes before open. CPI news was very bullish. So let's see if we can join the trend. I would not join the trend here, personally, just because in context-wise, we are considered really expensive. I would love for it to, come down a bit, maybe to this gray box or even to the 4-hour close, and then try to hop in that way. Let's see. Let's see which way we want to do. Hey, Jason. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Yep. So we are live today on YouTube, also on Twitch, simulcasted on 2 channels. Okay, so let's see. Let's see, what can we look for here today? We are extremely bullish right now. Let me look on my directional chart. You can see the strength is totally with the bulls at this moment. So down here, this is the strength and direction oscillator from TWA Indicators. This is telling us right now that obviously the strength is with the bulls. When you see it go from like green to pink, that could mean weakness. As you can see here, we had a little bit of weakness, but they were so strong that it just pulled back a bit before it took off. And you can see this breakout X symbol here. Breakout is breakout, right? So do you trade breakouts? I personally do not. However, if you do, just be cautious. Remember, this is a game of risk management and saving your capital for the higher probability moves. What happened there? So right now there's all right. So right now what am I doing? I am trying to get my mind wrapped around today is a big move. Okay, the big move happened. I was not on the charts. Um, so am I feeling FOMO because the market moved or because I wasn't on the charts when it moved? I'm definitely feeling FOMO because I wasn't on the charts. So therefore, I have to be careful with not trying to jump in just because I saw a past move. I gotta wait for this market to give me an opportunity to join it or not. So let's see. Yeah, not surprised after that huge move. We are now sitting in the expensive box. Let's look at it from this part. Let me just zoom in so we can see what is going on with price action. Okay, let's see. All right, let's see how many people we have on the live. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Jason. Welcome. Welcome. Did you get in this long? Anybody get in this long? At I don't know, 8 o'clock or just before the news? All right, let's see. We got 2 minutes. Let's 2 minutes. Let's see if what kind of fireworks we get in 2 minutes. Nope, nope. You stay here. You don't move. There we go. All right. So also remember, as we have 1 minute left, trading is more than just, numbers and charts and indicators on the screen. Um, this whole trading industry, this game, it's about growth. It's also about freedom, to trade when you want, where you want, how you want, and overall, my goal is to build the life that I always envisioned. So let's, I'm going to approach today. I'm going to be hyper focused today. I'm going to be looking for those high probability trades today. And I'm going to keep my mindset as positive as possible. So this move that happened here, that was great. And I'm going to wait for the move for me. Okay, we have about 30 seconds until open. It already went over the game plan. We are at my short on stall level. So you could see price push down here. Or will the bulls completely take it over and push right past it, and we have a absolutely amazing trending day. And anybody who's watching, feel free to drop a chat, a like. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. And let's see. Okay, and we're open. We are officially open now. Let's get some. Nice. Horatio is already, I think he's done for the day with his 100 points. That's awesome. So just keep YouTube on in the background so you can see what happened during the rest of the day. Horatio's been killing it the past week. It's good to see. Well deserved. All right, let's see. 9:30 and not much to really talk about right this second as far as movement wise. Let's see. Remember, so far this month it has not been uncommon for price just to play around and not have huge moves right out the open. Let's see. So, where are the trade opportunities right now? I would say if it breaks this level, I would wait for a retest of this box here, probably at the 10 o'clock hour. Let's see. Okay. All right. So the dime is hopping back and forth. I like to see that. That means there's action coming in or participation coming in for a better term. Get out of here. All right. Let's see what's going to happen. Nothing to do as just yet. Just waiting. I found that these are the times, especially after a huge move, which was about a 200 point move off the news. That's when you really have to focus in and be patient and look for those setups. We just made a new high right now. Yep, I don't see any setups just yet. I gotta wait. And yes, I will be looking long until information changes. Okay, let's see what's going on here. It's good. Good there. Let's see. We had the CPI news that dropped already. And next, this is for Canada. Anything else? Then we have crude oil that comes out at around 10:30. But the big one dropped already at 8:30. And I think this is the continuation of it. Let's see. It's going to be a test of wills now. I would like to see price dip a bit before I attempt a long. Yeah, nice. Thanks. Listen, look, this if anybody needs a reason, I'm gonna put this on even for the recording. If anybody needs a reason to join this live call, this is it right here. Helps you not to FOMO, all right? Because you're not the only one who's looking at this saying, "Oh my God, I just missed this huge trade. I gotta get in," because you don't know when the train is gonna stop. No, you don't have to. We're only 5 minutes into this session, right? 5 minutes is nothing. 5 minutes is literally like a blink when you're in the whole scope of this trading day. Just wait for it to come to you. That's what I'm doing. You know, that's a lesson I had to learn the hard way. So many losses, huge losses, burned accounts, just to learn the lesson, just to keep your hands off the mouse and just wait for it to come back to you. Lower this a bit. I don't want any feedback. There you go. Yeah, so I mean, it, I'm looking long. Hopefully this drop is nice. Now, if it does break through this teal box and stays above it, that's extremely bullish and extremely trendy bullish. So what we need to just to find a good spot to hop on the bull train. There you go. Here's one of our members who hit 100 points already. Nice. Congratulations, Horatio. Let's see what we got going on. All right, I think now we're gonna start getting that hopefully we start getting that pullback. Hopefully it's a pullback. I wonder how many people are getting in short now. I'm gonna check out that tilt from Top Step X. I just want to see something. Yeah, so on Top Step X they have that tilt feature. On NQ they have 55% of their traders shorting right now. I am not shorting right now. Yeah, let's see. They really. I'm keeping this screen up because this is my favorite one to find the breaks. For example, like back here, see how it showed us the breaks in the push before it kind of went again. Now this is not guaranteed, but it gives you a nice spot of where you could have, you know, entered, got in the long as well. Yep, so far we've gone nowhere. We're in this we were here in this box, so that'll be at least one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. All right, let's see. Let's see if we can find an entry point. Ooh, look at this, is a very bullish day. Where are they? Yeah, let's see. Let's see if any setups are here. Nothing yet. I don't see anything yet. All right, so we're content. That's a continuation sign, but so I do have other levels. Nope, not that. Sorry, this. Make these globally. Do have these levels here as a just in case. I had a feeling with news, there was a good chance if it was positive that we could have pushed back into um, previous areas. So I just wanted to keep that. So I have no other. So when the new 4 hour forecaster pops up, you can have new context and kind of new entry opportunity levels. So right now we're just waiting to see if they're gonna give us, if they're gonna stop for us. Okay, we're almost 15 minutes into the open. So far, it's a pretty slow open. It'll probably give us. I'm gonna wait about a couple minutes to see if I can find more context. Right now, right now I'm not entering here because we are at the top of this really expensive box, and from here to a reward point, it's not difficult, but it's just hard to yes, Jason, I will be live every day. On Fridays, though, I'm gonna try to keep it to an hour. It depends, to be honest with you, if I keep it to an hour or not. It depends how the market is. Fridays will be so, in full disclosure, I usually trade an eval if I'm trading an eval on Fridays, um, just because recent history, I don't trade well on Fridays for some reason. I think I'm just tired from the week. Um, so I'd rather do an eval, save that for a Friday. Reason is because it's not as the same. emotional pressure as it is trading a funded account. Okay, so here we go. You see, it's pushing for this next level just before. All right, so now we have now I have more context to trade. What's the context, right? I want to see what is it going to do at this level. Is it going to stall here? If it stalls here, then it's going to come down. Would I enter a short? No, because the fact that this is breaking past here, even though like it's a 1 minute, like if there's like three or I would say two more candles above this, I'm just looking long because we're going to be extremely long, obviously up to a point till everything changes, but yeah, so I trade here every day. I am working on getting guest traders on as much as I can here, especially on Fridays. Fridays would be awesome to have a guest on Fridays. Then also we have other funded traders from TWA that will be trading. But we're all gonna have a similar the whole focus, right? The whole tone of this is, the what are we were taught indicators are supposed to serve a purpose, right? You're supposed to help your emotions, not hurt your emotions, and not make you FOMO or anything like that. So that's kind of where this whole mindset day trader thing came from. Let's use these tools to help our mindset to be better traders, which all of that together will turn into profits. And again, you could be from any skill level, right? I was a beginner. Some of the people you're gonna see who are here were not beginners or trading for years. Yeah, so I'm like the newbie, I guess you could say. Not really, but whatever. All right, so we've broken above that area. If we can stay above there, that'll be a good spot. I think that's at I can't say this. I'll call out the level. So at 650, 650, if we stay above there and we retest, that'll be a good area to hop on the long. It'd be really interesting to see what the next 4 hour forecaster where that lines up compared to the levels, and then we'll really have a good trade plan, and then we just wait for the setups. And as always, please, drop a like if you're watching, if you enjoy, you know, calm trading. Yes, yep, it's definitely a rare bullish day. One, we had news at 8:30, which can cause one of these rare occurrences, right? Now, two, you can use the 4 hour forecaster from TWA indicators. Once you see it break that teal box, yeah, that gives you an idea. And if we stay there, that gives you an idea that okay, this is one of those strong bullish days where you have to figure out where to get in and find your invalidation point and ride the trade. So right now is not a time, personally, for me, my setup, this is not the time to get in a trade. Hopefully during this live, it'll come up. And if not, you know what, then there's tomorrow. I'd rather leave the day at 0 than force something. Let's see, did anybody else catch any trades? I know Horatio said he did. I know, I think Jason and I are waiting. Wonder if anyone else, let me check the Discord if anybody got any good trades that we can talk about. Let's see. All right. Okay, we got 9 minutes till a new 4 hour. I don't see any spot to enter yet. Okay, look, right, so we're getting drawn right up to that 706 level, this white line I have there, right off the open. Yeah, we are, and this is gonna make another new high so far. Yeah, I really need you to come back now. Anytime now. Let's see what happens at 10. Yeah, we are such, this is such a strong bullish day. No, these are my hardest, these have really turned into a couple of my hardest days to trade when it was like that. For me, I think it's been hard for me to trade these because of FOMO, to be honest. Just doing a quick reflection. I think it's just because of FOMO. Okay, so here's something interesting. The IVD has turned off. Hmm. The background is off and the candles are off over here, but here they're on. Now, why is that? What's the difference? Yeah, look, see? I think this is going to be the beginning of the opportunity to get in. But none got filled. Yeah, that happens. That's what I was talking about. Where I think Fridays, like not Fridays, days like these are tough for me because where I set my entries, it's because I wanted to retest on something before it continues. But it tends like something like this, right? Like I would like it to retest here more than one wick. Maybe like sit and then I put my order like just above it. But this one would have never gotten me in here. Um, Here, same thing. I didn't see any retests. We just kept chugging away, checking up, up. Hmm. Oh well, you just got to keep, keep looking for stuff. I mean, look at all this bullish volume since 8 o'clock. All of this. I think that could be a reason why people want to short because we just kept climbing. Yeah, it's not much. Let's see. Let me see. Do I have them here? See this for a second. It's all okay. Let's do a little chart means. All right, let's see what this new 4 hour brings. We're about 30 seconds away from it. Let's see if we can get more context. Maybe we can get a nice entry. Good. So I think you're up about 40 points. All right, so Jason's up 40 points. Okay, let's see what this next 4 hour brings. It's 10 o'clock. This is where I'm looking for. This is where I'm looking for a way in. Okay, here we go. All right, if we get down to that 650, I'll be joining the long. That's what I'll be looking at first. just draw this so I can give it some more context so I can just see from here to here. Okay, let me get my charts ready. If we cannot, so why did I draw these, right? It just gives me more context. If we cannot get below this here, then I can hop in the wall. Okay, let's see, I'm here. Let me do this one. This would be a tier 2 for me. Okay, let's see. Not in anything yet. I'm gonna give it about, give it about 5-10 minutes. Just want to see. See what price action wants to show. ATR is 12. Okay, it's kind of getting stuck here. See if it pushes down. I needed to push down some. Yeah, today's the kind of day to really work on my patience. And I'm not one of the traders who like to throw like a micro in just to see what happens, because it's not following my process, right? I like it when I follow my process, because then that's something I can actually go back and check and see if, did I follow my process? Did I not? So on and so forth. This is good. Finally get some weakness. Okay. I wonder if this is where the chop is going to be here. No, not in anything yet. Just waiting. It's one of these days. You just gotta wait. Let me just move this over a little bit so you guys can see. Just gotta wait. Okay, there you go. And there's a little bullish move. Let's see if I can jump in here. Very close to the high though. I don't like that. Okay, it's gonna tap it. Let's see if it wants to come back a little bit. We are so bullish. So bullish. I don't want to get in here. Let's see. Let's see. All right. There you go. That's what I want to see. Are you gonna stay above there, or are you gonna try to bleed back through? Anything change here? Nope. Okay. Let's see. All right, I'm in. See if I can get risk-free. I'm in low contracts because we've just been climbing steadily. So let's see. Okay, there we go. Got a nice push. See if we can get that TP1 off the table. A tick away. Risk-free long. Yes, risk-free long. And I'm gonna see if how long I can hold this all day. Risk-free long. That's what I like to say. Let's go. So just why did I get in this trade? Well, we are extremely bullish, right? I got to join the trend. Okay. What told me is a good place for me to get in? Well, see the using the 4-hour forecaster, right? I know here is considered cheaper, here is considered expensive. Okay. And I have a level here. I got in, I'm going to zoom in pretty close. Okay. I got in here, right where it tried to touch this yellow line in this box. I got in here and I got this push that made me risk free. And now I can trail my trade, see how many points I can get out of it. Let's go. Let's go. I think I have a TP at 50 points. Let me just make sure. Yep, I have one TP at 50 points at 755. That'll take us to about here. If we can get there. So again, so what I would just be looking at this as like, okay, if we can break up here, that's great. Let's try to hold it. That's great. Break up there, hold it. And then I'll move one of these boxes up and just continue that all the way up as far as it is willing to go. Oof, man. Let's see. Did I finally conquer the the rare bullish trend FOMO? Did I finally conquer it? Do I have something in my belt now that I can work off of from now going forward? So what's going to prove that to me? Well, first phase, I'm risk-free. That's one. Two, I put in the right amount of contracts per my risk management plan. Check. I went in at a level. Check. Now, let's see what kind of reward I can get on the other side. And I'm shooting, I don't know if you can see it on my screen, but I'm shooting for this purple line. Let me just circle it here. It's a level I have. This is where my second TP is. So that's, I have one here. Actually, let me put it in arrows. Let's see. One moment. I think I need one of these. Nope, don't want to put a sticker on it, but let's see. Where are the stupid shapes? There you go. Okay. So this is one TP is here, and then I have another one. What was it at? 55. Another TP here. So those are my take profit points. Let's see if we can get there. And where's my stop? I'm going to show everybody where my stop is. Oh, I like that. My stop is right here. My stop is here. So TP1 here. TP2 actually. And this is my TP3. There you go. So now you got a nice visual cue of kind of what I'm doing. Let me bring this down a little bit. There you go. Now we just sit and wait, see if it can, first, let's see if it can get, how close can it get to my TP2 target? Once it hits TP2, I would move my TP3 up, see if I can squeeze more out of it. Okay, this is encouraging. Yeah, so this trade is on one of my funded accounts. I do not copy trade, so I have two funded accounts. This is on one of them. All right, I like this. Let's see, can we get into that gray box or are we gonna get rejected like crazy? I'll feel really good when that trail stop is matching where my stop loss is right now. That tells me now there's a good likelihood that the next my TP2 will get hit. we go. We're getting towards that box. Let's see. A little fight going on here. Yep. Let's see it now. We gotta live through this. Mm, that is unfortunate. No need to get out yet. Nothing to do. Let's see. Will it kind of get back over that center line? I don't think so. I think we're coming down. Ooh, that's a good sign. The background for the TPO just turned green, which is good. I like that. That was the bottom line, that square on the bottom, that single square you see. That's encouraging. Let's see. Let's see if it'll just stick around here. Getting awfully close. I think it's gonna take me out. Haven't been taken out yet. Let's see. Let's see if the Bulls are finally that tired. This is tense. See, this is the part of trading that even yikes. This is the part of trading that kind of like a lot of mental gymnastics doing right now, right? Because at one point, I'm happy to be risk free, meaning, uh, the essentially these runners are paid for. But there's the other side that's wants the TPs to be hit because that's profit that you can make. So like that mental gymnastics is really what makes this game um can make it very difficult on you. This is why I kind of like take it easy on Fridays. Let's see. All right, so far that 708 levels holding, but it's getting tested. Let's see. Now it's starting to break through. There it goes. It's about to eat my stop. Well, we gave it a good try. We got a happy sell button too. Yeah, we gave it a good try. It needed this little breather before it could keep going. Yeah, just needed this little breather. Let's see. I'm not out yet, but it's getting very close. I think it's about to tap it. Yep. 3, 2, 1. There it goes. All right, not too bad. Not too bad. Stuck in there. Everything was paid for. So, no complaints here. Let's see if we find Let's see if we can find another opportunity. Take this now. Take that out. This actually might be an opportunity to get a healthier long. Yeah, I think it's finally taking a breather. All right, nothing. I was in a long. I got risk free, and it decided to take a breather. That's fine. See if we can find another entry point for a long. Will this be another entry point for a long? Let's see. Not just yet. Bears are still pushing. Do I see any entry points? Let's see, maybe here. I want to wait till the This might be another way into the long. Let me just see. Let me just wait a minute. Yeah. Get in this one. Left without me. Darn it. Let's see. Nice, Gabby, 200 points. Nice. All right. Let's try another one. Let's see. I might get into this long. I don't think I can do it that one. Do it this one. And no, not that. Let's see. Which one do I want to do? Yeah, I'm gonna try this again. I'm gonna try this long again. Why not? Oh, okay. So fine, I'll go with this. Ew. That was a nasty drop right there. So far, we can't get past that 4-hour close. Okay. And we are gonna head down now. Let's see. Let's see if it really wants to head down or not. I really like the longs. I want to see if I could find another long opportunity. Yeah, so I don't see anything just yet. I've been looking like I just don't like anything. Alright, let's see. Do I have anything here? Yeah, it's a tough day for me here too. This might be a shorter live call today because I might have to wait a while before I see a good setup here. Let's see. Let's see if this can get me TP1. I'm in another long. Let's see if this is the one that's going to actually push for me. Come on. Get my TP1, man. Let's see. Nope. What is this looking like here? Does this look like weakness too? A bit. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna get out of this long. Let's see. Give it another couple seconds. If this doesn't go in my direction, then I'm done for the day. Here's a little late push. Here's a late push. Come on. Get that TP1. Let's go. Get me risk-free. All right, I'm risk-free on this long. Look like we got a little surge coming in. Let's see what we can get. See if it really wants to run today. To be honest, I'm thinking we can probably hit into this gray box, so anywhere from 780. It all depends what happens here. If we cannot break into this, then we would come back down. If we do, we can possibly get up to, I don't know, 800, 800. That's kind of what I see. But, the market will tell us. Let's go here. All right, let's see now. See what it wants to do here. See, this is where we got sticky last time. Yeah, well. anyway. All right, let's see. What are we doing here? Are we having any success with this trade? Kind of fizzing out here a bit. Still holding strong here. Let's see if it wants to stay that way. Let's see. Let's see if it can. See if it wants to push past this or not. All right, come on. See what we can get. Let's see if we. Where's my TPU 2? Ooh, 58. Man, it's gonna have to really break in there. So I'm in this trade right now. Just I got in once it, kind of couldn't get past this area. And let's see if it continues upwards. It's risk free again, so what is that? What was this? Oh, nice. Okay. Okay, let's see now. Let's see what. So far, this trade has gone up at the highest point, about 25 points in my favor. I'm just gonna let it run, see what happens. See how we're having trouble getting back to this gray box area. I'll be watching that. That's, yeah, it's just like kind of fidgeting around here. Let's see. Yeah, not much else to do right now. Just see if this trade wants to run. If price can stay above that box, that'll be really nice, but see how it just totally dipped below it right now? Yeah. Ooh. Yeah, I think this sucker's gonna take me up soon. Alright, so this time we did not even get close to it. Okay, so now I just gotta wait. Strict candles turn off. Yep, I think we're gonna be getting another. I think it's gonna try to push down again. Okay. Pushing up a little bit. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna give it about another 10-15 minutes. See if I find anything, if anything sets up nicely. If not, I will be done for the day. Yeah, I think I'm gonna be done for the day. This right here. So yeah, so still be looking long because everything for my probability is all saying long still. So nothing's changed there. Just gotta find the opportunity to get in. Yeah, we can see here we're getting kind of stuck here. But good news is it, it hasn't really broken down yet. So we'll see. Again, we got up to about this point and then we pushed back down again. But you see here we pushed like down to 680s, and then this one was at the 690s, and this one now is at the sevens. So we're kind of creeping our way back. I think I'm gonna attempt one more long here. Let's see. Let's see if it's going to die or if it's going to push up. Let's see. All right, yeah, it's definitely dying right now. Let's see. And because it's caught in this area, I could, we are in a bullish trend, but at this moment in time, there's a range right here until it breaks out. Yeah, let's see. Let me just open this up a little bit. I'm just gonna see what price is doing. Bunch of nothing. What's it doing over here? It's still bullish. The trend is still bullish. So let's see. See if it wants to surpass, get into that gray box. Another push up again. This is the area that seems like the bulls and bears are battling. Yeah, see, they're battling like crazy right here. Well, let's see. See who wins. Looks like the Bears are gonna win this one. That's nice. Looks like they might. Let's see if they actually get this push past. I'm gonna be interested to see if they actually get past and stay below the center of this area here. It's maybe the pullback that. Let's see. Yeah, looks like it wants to push down. Ooh, nice push. Nice flush. There you go. Get down to that 650 area. Yeah, nice flush. Very nice. Nice flush. Let's see. That was a nice flush down. Let's see if it's going to continue or is it going to find some bulls here or here. They're trying to. All right, so it's gonna be 11 o'clock soon. I'm gonna see if I have any other opportunities, but I'm not gonna force anything because uh, I got caught up here and I got two risk-free trades, but nothing really ran. So, and I don't want to short this. So we'll see. We'll see if it wants to give any opportunities. IVD's off. We have bullish weakness, so let's see, let's see. All right, it is. Got a sell sign here. Let's see what that wants to do. See if that can cause a little push. Who knows? Let's find out. That's awesome. Saw his sell sign and the price just rocketed right back up. That's so great. Mm-mm. 770. I had a my high possible high of the day was seven. Uh, I had a range of around 780. So it was close. Well, that was interesting. That was an interesting little push we had right there. Mm-mm-mm. All right, so let's do a little recap today. We had an extremely bullish open where we blew past the 4-hour forecaster. Right now, we kind of have um, an idea where price is starting to pull back. You know, my high today was around 780, so you could take that as a zone. You know, between 800 and 770. And so far, it looks like it's potentially looking like another entry for a long here. Just be careful because there is a sticky level just right on top of it at 700. Um, However, you do have all the probability in your favor for longs. So, I mean, I wouldn't short, but that's just me. Let's see. Let's see if this is going to actually try to push back up to where price was and then continue on from there. Let's take a peek. Where was price at before here? 29. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see if it can or if it's just gonna die. So far, looking pretty good here. See, you got a gappy button here that's giving a little confidence for a little confidence push. You know, the setup was there. Let's see. TP1 would have been hit already. In fact, I'll do this. Yep, TP1 definitely would have been hit. Now let's see if how far it'll take us after TP1. See if it can stay above here, that'll be good sign. If it cannot, then we know it's going to be let's see. So far so good. I mean, looking like we're staying above there. Let's see. I don't know. TP1 was hit. Can it get any more than TP1? Let's see. Okay. Is that far enough down that they can push past it? Let's see. So far, so good. It's very nice. Very nice. Very nice push. That was a good entry for a long there. I'm glad I saw that because now I could make a mental note. No, I really need to be more patient and wait for further pushes down. I like this. This is a good learning day. Okay, let's see. All right. This is where we ran into some trouble last time. Let's see if we can blow past this. Looks like we can. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see if we can get to the 730s. Let's see. That'll be a new high at 730s. Let's see. Okay, so this is where we were last time, when it started to turn back. Let's see if the Bulls have enough. And then if they do, I think we're gonna go after that 780, 770 area. Let's see, we see, okay. This is exactly where it started to turn last time. Getting another push. Let's see. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Very nice push here. There you go. See, it's starting to run into a little issue here. Let's see if it can push past this. So far, everything is saying, as far as probability wise, we should. We came close, didn't we? We came very close. Yeah, we came very close to it. Let's see. This is where we got pushed back last time. So far, it's trying to happen again. Yeah, it's a good sign. Let's see if it can get any of it back, or is it going to continue down? Yeah, they just totally pushed back. Right here again. Right there. Well, it did get us about 30 some odd points. All right, so with that, I'm gonna be done for the day because right now there's really no other. Um, this was a good setup here for a long, right? If you're in it, great. Just hold on to it because there's a possibility that we can get that possible high. Let's see. All right. So let me reflect on the day before we sign off here. 1 second. Okay. So today, extremely bullish day. So if you're in this long, congratulations. Just keep riding it. Should be good as long as we stay above this area. We should be seeing this. I have 780. So anywhere between, so you can go 770, 760, or up to 820. Let's see if we can get it from there. Um, Took two trades, risk-free. No shorts because we were completely bullish. No need to take any shorts. I don't even care if this turned red. Like, nothing here was telling us to take a short. So the patience was to allow it to come down and recycle and take another long up. If you did, congratulations. Also, remember, um, trading is a marathon. So even if today was a rough day, you can always reflect, look back, come back tomorrow, and stay patient, trade well, and stay positive. With that, everybody, thank you, and I will see everyone tomorrow. Bye.
Woke up to the sunlight in my eyes. Today's the day I'll rise and shine. No worries, no fears cross my mind. Let's leave the doubts all behind. Walking on clouds, I'm feeling light. Smiles and laughter all in sight. Every step I take feels so right. Let's make this day out of sight. Got that confident vibe inside my soul. Living my life in cruise control. Nothing can stop me now, I know. I'm moving fast, I'm on a roll. Got that confident vibe inside my soul. Living my life in cruise control. Nothing can stop me now, I know. I'm moving fast, I'm on a roll. Heart's a drum beating strong and loud. I stand tall, feeling so proud. Dreams Trust the journey, trust the ride. With each turn I know I'll glide. In this joy I'll always reside. Feeling good, I'll never hide. Got that confident vibe inside my soul. Living my life in cruise control. Nothing can stop me now, I know. I'm moving fast, I'm on a roll. Got that confident vibe inside my soul. Living my life in cruise control. Nothing can stop me now, I know. I'm moving fast, I'm on a roll. Got that confident vibe inside my soul. Living my life in cruise control. Nothing can stop me now, I know. I'm moving fast, I'm on a roll. Got that confident vibe inside my soul. Living my life in cruise control. Nothing can stop me now, I know. I'm moving fast, I'm on a roll. Woke up to the sunlight in my eyes. Today's the day I'll rise and shine. No worries, no fears cross my mind. Let's leave the doubts all behind. Walking on clouds, I'm feeling light. Smiles and laughter all in sight. Every step I take feels so right. Let's make this day out of sight. Got that confident vibe inside my soul. Living my life in cruise control. Nothing can stop me now, I know. I'm moving fast, I'm on a roll. Got that confident vibe inside my soul. Living my life in cruise control. Nothing can stop me now, I know. I'm moving fast, I'm on a roll. Heart's a drum beating strong and loud. I stand tall, feeling so proud. Dreams within reach, head in the clouds. I'll chase them down and make them count. Trust the journey, trust the ride. With each turn I know I'll glide. In this joy I'll always reside. Feeling good, I'll never hide. Got that confident vibe inside my soul. Living my life in cruise control. Nothing can stop me now, I know. I'm moving fast, I'm on a roll. Got that confident vibe inside my soul. Living my life in cruise control. Nothing can stop me now, I know. I'm moving fast, I'm on a roll. Got that confident vibe inside my soul. Living my life in cruise control. Nothing can stop me now, I know. I'm moving fast, I'm on a roll. Got that confident vibe inside my soul. Living my life in cruise control. Nothing can stop me now, I know. I'm moving fast, I'm on a roll. Woke up to the sunlight in my eyes. Today's the day I'll rise and shine. No worries, no fears cross my mind. Let's leave the doubts all behind. Walking on clouds, I'm feeling light. Smiles and laughter all in sight. Every step I take feels so right. Let's make this day out of sight. Got that confident vibe inside my soul. Living my life in cruise control.